guys. I was just gonna do some practice with my gamo rifle. It's a, let's see here, gamo silent cat velocity 1,250 with old water bottle next to this old dilapidated house. This is my grandparents' house. Well, great grandparents' house. Excuse me. And today I reckon I'll be using. Hold on, let me get it out of my back pocket. Crosman, it's Premier, piranha, hollow point bullet. Just caliber and grain, all that. And I reckon I'll move back about maybe well, I'm not really good with yards, so I'll just move back a bit. Alright, now we're back just a bit. Let me set my rifle down. So here's this thing. It's got a, not really sure. Oh yeah, people are out that way, out pheasant hunting since it opened up yesterday. This is a 4x32 scope. Just a really nice rifle. And can't really see the water bottle. You can make it out barely. But let me see if I can set my camera up somewhere and get shooting. Alright. Now I got y'all up in a tree. And let me step out here a bit. Alright. See the water bottle, hopefully. See if I can hit it. Well, that was an easy shot. I don't know how I missed. Well, see if I can load this thing up again. And that's great. Just got my bullet stuck inside. There we go. Dropped again. Alright. Try this one more time. Safety's off, and there we go. Oh, let's see if I can get y'all down. Let's take a walk over here. See what we did. Set my rifle down here. Now I took a few shots out of this thing, so I don't really know where it hit. I may have just grazed it right there, but I ain't really seen that before. Well, no, it's opened up there. I bet that's where I hit it, right there. Not too much of an exit wound. Right here was the first shot I hit on it. That was the exit wound right there. And where did I hit it? I think I hit it right there. Well, this ain't gonna focus. Oh well. Well, I reckon I just put out a new video since I ain't really done one in a while. It's a breaky day. So, yeah, that's about it. Bye.